Back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Thursday, November 20th. Guys, the Fear and Greed Index is at a 9 right now, lower than the FTX collapse. This is absolutely insane. This is massive. All I can say is that this is actually extremely bullish for the markets. Before we get into all this and what's going on, let's dive right into it. XRP, let's refresh here. Currently coming in at around 202. Let's dive into the charts here and see what we have going on. Oh, wow, 199. Here we go, guys. Here we go. We've just been waterfalling down. And you can see, wow, this has not been moved or altered. This line here, 198, we came to it perfectly. We kissed that line. We pushed up. Here we are coming back down. That's on the hourly. If we go to the daily, you guys can see we had another brutal day. Today was very, very rough for the markets. Everything got absolutely destroyed. Crypto, all the altcoins, Bitcoin, even the stock market, the S&P 500, over $1 trillion wiped out. Everything just getting destroyed. RSI reset. We haven't seen the RSI. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. We've got the blue line of the RSI at 0. At a freaking 0. And then we've got the orange line at 8.75. And, if you look, the last time we had the blue line at a 0 was actually over here, the 23rd of September. And if you want to kind of zoom out and look and see where we were price-wise and what actually happened, you can see we were coming in a downtrend. It was right here. We actually continued down for a couple days, and then we did actually get a move up slightly, but eventually rolled right back down. But most likely when we are at these levels, again, back here, you can see back here, we kept coming down for a little bit, and then we did get this little move up for some relief. Here's another good example. This was the start of a major run, which hopefully this is what we'll be seeing. But when you have that RSI coming down here to the 0 line, you can see this major move up, this massive reversal. Ultimately, guys, every single time that the RSI is way down there like that, we do end up seeing at least a small move up, if not a large move up. So RSI is resetting here. We are running into the support. We need it to hold. We're on a new daily candle. So far coming down, not looking as great as we'd like it to. Weekly is just getting destroyed. But we will have to see. This can definitely pull up, and hopefully we can end this month with a green week. But just wanted to give a quick update, guys. We've been crashing through our support levels, and we are at this support level right now at 198. So where is the next level of support? Well, let's take a look. Let's actually do this with a Fibonacci from bottom to top here from these swings. I will move this over a little bit. The 1618 level is at $1.75, $1.74. So we could potentially expect that level to be a support line. And if we draw that line right there like that, we'll get rid of the fib. We'll go to the daily. We'll zoom out a little bit. Wow. Look at that line that we just drew. Look at that support right there. We even got support a little bit above it, around 180, 179. But this right here, we came right to it. We could potentially be seeing one of these moves coming right back down there before moving higher. Although that doesn't have to happen. It can happen. As you can see, yeah, it really depends what the RSI does. If it's going to grind down here for a little longer and kind of stay down here, well, then the price will continue, grinding down. But if we get one of these quick reversals, this quick cross and move up, then we could see a nice recovery. So ultimately, guys, we are not going to see these prices for very long. These are legendary prices. I mean, XRP for $1.98, you get 2.5 for $5. That is absolutely insane. This is history in the making, so I hope you guys are taking advantage of this opportunity to buy XRP for cheap. Let's dive right into it on X. I know 24 Hours Crypto posted something beautiful that I reposted. And here he says, few will make it, hold tight, the best is yet to come. Buy 2.5 XRP for only $5, $1.99 XRP was $3.60. This is a massive sale. I hope you guys are still accumulating. If you know what you hold, you are accumulating right now. I know I'm still accumulating what I can with what I can to, because I know this is going to be worth, XRP is going to be worth thousands of dollars in the future. So you know what you hold. So the market dump today makes no sense. The S&P wiped out 1.5 trillion in value from today's high. Bitcoin dropped to 87K. Crypto market cap is below 3 trillion now. And the craziest part, there wasn't a single negative headline today. No policy surprise, no new recession warning, no tariffs or bad earnings. Even Nvidia, which makes 8% of the entire S&P 500, posted a bullish earnings report yesterday, and now the entire pump has been retraced. Nothing that explains a sell-off of this scale. So guys, what is going on behind the scenes? This isn't just crypto. This is everything crashing down for no apparent reason, no news, nothing of the sort. We do have ISO 20022 going live November 22nd, Friday at midnight. So hats off to that. We'll see what happens. XRP's time to shine. We do have the Bitwise Spot ETF launch under the ticker XRP. So institutions are buying, guys. The prices are dipping. Institutions are scooping up what they can at these prices. Before the end of the year, we will see a black swan event, most likely a liquidity crisis coming from Japan. XRP is the solution. And this, guys, was all planned out. Let me know what you guys think down below. It's not as bad as you think. Look at the fear and greed index. We're making new lows on the fear and greed index. We're actually we've been in extreme fear for, I believe it's a new high, a new record, the longest time in extreme fear can't even talk. The longest time in extreme fear ever recorded in history. We are making history right now. The market maker wants you out. Know what you hold. If it's XRP, if it's XLM, if it's a utility-driven asset that's going to provide a use case in the future that actually has value behind it, then there's no need to worry, but just try to buy more while you can. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, and I will keep you guys updated in the next one. Till next time.